Hello, my name's Andrew, and if you have to do taxes on your Metamask wallet, this video is for you. So we're going to cover three things. The first is, what are crypto taxes, and what do you actually need to pay tax on? The second is, what tools do you need to do your crypto taxes? And lastly, how do we use Awaken specifically to do our crypto taxes extremely fast? So with that being said, let's jump into it. So there's a lot of things that are actually not taxable in crypto. For example, if you're just buying and holding a cryptocurrency, for example, Ethereum, that's not taxable. If you're buying with fiat, so you're going from US dollars to, let's say, Ethereum, not taxable. And when you transfer between wallets, that's also not taxable. That being said, anytime you buy and sell a cryptocurrency, so for example, if you sold Ethereum for US dollars, or even if you sold Ethereum for Bitcoin, that is a taxable event in each of those cases. Also, every time you get a staking reward, it's taxed. When you swap between two cryptos, like in that example, it's taxed. And if you got an airdrop, and there were a lot of great airdrops on Ethereum, that is all taxed. If you need a crypto CPA, on the Awaken website, we actually have a tab called Get Tax Help, and we have some really fantastic CPAs there. You can also email team@awaken.tax, which I'll put in the description, and we'll be happy to introduce you to a crypto CPA. Now, what tools do you actually need? So depending on which blockchains you're actually using, that will influence the tools that you need. So for example, if primarily use Ethereum, you can use Etherscan, Arbitrum is Arbiscan, and we have BlastScan. There's a lot of these different scan block explorers, and depending on which chains you use, you'll want to be able to use those block explorers to really dig into the transactions and find out what's happening. You can also use crypto pricing websites, for example, CoinGecko or BirdEye, and they'll have historical pricing data, so that way you can pinpoint the exact price of a crypto on a specific day. That being said, if you don't want to deal with all of these different tools and having to manually figure it out yourself, we highly recommend using a crypto tax software. Awaken is the industry standard for EVM specifically. We have support for over 10,000 DeFi protocols. We have thousands of users who really love our DeFi support with EVM chains. So it's a really nice pairing with Metamask. If for some reason we don't work for you, there's also a couple other competitors of ours that are good options like Coinly and Crypto Tax Calculator. But we'll focus on Awaken for this video. So with that being said, let's jump in. So here I've already actually added my MetaMask wallet, but to add it, it's actually very simple. So you will first make an account if you don't already have one. Go to awaken.tax and sign up. It should only take around 30 seconds. Then you'll go to the accounts page and you'll click this add account button in the top right. Then you'll search for MetaMask. You click connect. You'll type in MetaMask here. And then for every wallet that you have, you'll have to add it. But the good thing with MetaMask is because it's primarily EVM, you just go Ethereum, add blockchain, and boom, you just actually paste your address in here once. So I'll go ahead and just open my MetaMask real quick. You'll click receive, you copy this address, and you'll paste it here. And you'll leave this upload all EVM wallets checked. That way we'll pull in all of the different chains that you're using. So if you're using Polygon and Ethereum and Arbitrum, all those will be pulled in with just this. You're going to want to do this for all your MetaMask wallets though. So if you have multiple, go through each of them and click to copy the address and add them. And once you do that, you're good to go. You can go to the transactions tab and you can see we automatically label a lot of different things. So you can see here, I use Blur pretty heavily. I even use Blend, sold NFTs, used a lot of other DeFi protocols, and it's automatically categorizing a lot of these transactions. Ones that are not categorized, you can easily go and click to review them. And the high priority ones are up here. You can click that and go through those as well. And then at the very end, you go to the tax reports page and you can pull a gain loss report or various US forms like 8949, etc. If you ever have any questions, you can always email team@awaken.tax and we'd be happy to answer them. We hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.